everybody. How are you? It's a little chilly out. I'm sitting on top of a heater. Remember a little while back I did a video on the paper lantern of Beauty and the Beast? I'll link that video below. But the same girl, Miss Mandy, who designed that, designs these cute little cassette boxes that hold, hold on one second. Hold on. It holds gum. So I want to make this with you. And today's Good Friday. So I wanted to put that on, and I'm gonna leave that right there. So today's Good Friday. I'll probably put this video up tomorrow. So she gives you two different colored cut files. I'm going to cut them out real quick. Alright, so this is one way. Don't look at that one yet. So we have to score on her score lines. So I'm just going to line them up on my my number 6 line. That's why I keep it. This way I could just score. I hate when I score with the wrong end, the thinner end. Okay, score that one. Score that one. She has this being scored. Just gonna line it up as best as I can. Hey, look, my cross is blinking. Huh. Look at that. See that? I wonder why it's blinking. Maybe somebody's trying to get my attention. Are you trying to get my attention? How wild is this? Alright, we're just gonna have to keep an eye on that. Do. Okay, so I'm still scoring all the marks she has for score marks. And my cross is flashing at me. I wonder if it's supposed to do that. Huh. This looks a little crooked to me. Why is that crooked? It's because I'm crooked today. I'm crooked. Okay. Looks like I scored all of them except for that one. And I was out of frame. I am so sorry. You get to watch my cross blink. I'm wondering who is visiting me today from beyond. Yes, I believe in that. Yes, I do. I haven't made one of these yet, so you're making them with me. How cute is that? Now you can choose to cut this out with an X-OXO knife, but on hers I'm going to leave it because I'm going to show you I brought it into the Cricut and I made a cut file out of it. So let's glue this together. Now she puts little magnets on the back of it to hang on the refrigerator. But this would be so cute just to sit and it holds your gum just like that. I'm going to actually open another pack. Hold on. How cute! How cute, how cute, how cute! Oh, wow. I think this is downright adorable. So it takes a little bit more than one pack of gum. Oh, how sweet. I bought a couple of packs. Oh, wow. Okay, so then what I did was this. I did the same thing. I cut it out. I'm going to line it up so I can score it. Hold on. Let's score this. Score it there. And then I didn't look. Oh, hold on. She scored it at 7/8. If I scored that. Oh, when you open up the box of gum, it smells so yummy. All right, so then she also scored it here. And here. Line that up. Make sure I'm straight. And score. I enjoy taking or looking at people's projects. Taking, I guess, isn't the right word. They give them, this is a giveaway. I like when people give things and then I kind of change it up to make it my own. It's like being inspired by other people. Love it. I hope to inspire other people. So now I'm just folding on all the score marks. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, but what then I did was this. I looked at her design, and like I said, I made some cut files on Cricut. Look at how cute this is. And then I wanted multicolors. And I did some layering. Does that go that way or does that go that way? That goes that way. Okay, so what I think I might do is, I might grab my Xyron, my little Xyron. And instead of sitting here playing with glue, I think I will run this through. Ooh, does that make, I'll run them through real quick, and I'll make them stickers. And then I'll do this one. Guess I could probably get more than one. That's okay. You know what? I'll save that. And I will use it for something else. Ta-da! No waste. No waste. I'll use these pieces for something else. Ta-da! Sticker time. Oh, this is just so adorable. Zoom you in a little bit more. Thank you, Miss Mandy, again for such a great design. I think I went this way. Oh, how sweet. All right. Wow. Love, love, love it. And it just gives it another dimensional look. All right, so let's Let's glue this real quick. These would be great for a party favor. Think about it, if you had like somebody's turning 50 and they were having a, or you know, anyone from our generation that played with cassette tapes. Now, Miss Mandy looks a heck of a lot younger than me, so I'm surprised she even knows. Not knows, she should know, but most people do know. Cassette tapes. Looks like her generation would have been CDs. So I'm just gonna glue. Look, and I'm gonna link her. I'm going to link her YouTube channel and her blog, where she has all her cut files for download, so that you can visit them. Oh, how stinking cute. Oh my goodness. All right, let's open this one. This, I actually have a magnet strip right here. Let's see. I'm actually going to cut it in half. When I use these magnets, I like to add some hot glue, but we'll see if this works. These are from Walmart. They're not the greatest magnets, but I think that these will work on the fridge. Oh, how stinking cute is this? Oh. I know you can't see it, but oh, it works. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Oh wait, I forgot one of the cutouts. Oh look, that piece. I cut that out too. Oh, look at that. Oh, how sweet is this? So you don't need a Cricut to do this. This is just my additional version. You could cut these 3 parts out with the X-OXO knife. And look at how cute that is. Oh, thank you, Miss Mandy. Once again, I love your designs. Your designs rock. Now I'm going to get more magnets and I'm going to go hang these both on my refrigerator. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. These are just quick little, anyone can do crafts, as long as you have a printer. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you real soon.